Hello friends, today in this video I am going to make a simple preload animation for your website. As you can see this example, whenever I try to open my website in the new tab, then there have been a simple blink animation for few seconds. That is actually the preload animation for our website. So we are going to create this. Before this, I want to tell you one thing, that I have provided the source code of this tutorial in the description. Please check it out. And for this you have to come to your desktop. Here I have created a folder named preload. So on clicking on it, you can find two files here. First one is the index.html and second one is the style.css. Let's open it with our code editor or text editor, that is VS Code. So here I have written the basic syntax of markup in my index.html, where I have used HTML tag, head tag, and inside the head tag I have given the title to my web page, and here in the head tag I have linked my CSS file to the markup language. Here in the style.css, in the body section I have designed the margin is 0, padding is 0, and font family is sans serif. So coming back to the index.html, here in the body section you have to create a div of id loader, and inside this you have to create an image of id loader image. After this div you have to create another div of id content. In this, all the content on our website will come into this. Here create a paragraph of dummy lorem ipsum, and again after saving it, let's preview with the live server. Here it is the preview of it. As you can see, I have zoomed it to the 100%, and in the new tab you have to search for image HD wallpaper or any wallpaper that you want to put on your web page. Here I have selected this and open with the new tab. Here I have copied the URL so that it will directly import from the web browser. After saving it, let's double it or triple it. After saving it, as you can see, I have put it to more than 5 times or 6 times. So as you can see the preview of our website, it look like this, and there have been some image. Here in the new tab you have to search preload GIF or animation that we are going to use. We are not going to make code any animation. So this is the first example. Then coming to the second example, it is just an image. Then coming to this is a GIF. So after saving it to the desktop, here I have created preloader and one. After saving it, let's close the tab, and here there is no nothing have been changed. So coming back to our VS Code, here we have to link that GIF. As you can see, this has been come to here, and I have linked my CSS file. So in the style.css, first we have to design the loader section. Hash id loader of width 100 vh 100% and height 100 vh means that viewport height, and in this position not align item center, and here position will be relative. Please leave a comment if you find some mistake or bug in this video, so that in the upcoming videos I can improve it. Here in the loader image you have to put the animation in the absolute position so that it will be at the center of the web page. Top will be 50 and left will be 50, but we have to also transform it to the translate -50% and -50% so that it will be exactly at the center. As you can see this preview, and here then we have to also design our image and also the web page. So for this you have to come here, and here in the content part, first there have been the font size is 20 pixel according to the 100%. It look very nice. It depend upon your choice. You can choose according to your choice. Here in the content you have to create for the image part. Here the width is 100%. So as you can see, when I smaller and larger, there have been no effect on the image because I have set in the image width is 100%. Then copy this and here pasting it for the paragraph, and putting the margin will be 10%, and after saving it, let's preview, but it is more than the expected, so let's cancel it out to the 5%. Here it is the preview. It look nice. Here the text transform, text align will be justified so that all the words will be equally distributed. Now create this content that we have created, display none, so that on the first go we will able to see our preloader. Here in the index.html, in the header section, I have created a script. It depends upon your choice. You can set on the header section or body section. Here in the window onload function, I have used when the window is going to load, so I have to use a function here in this document dot get element by id name, copy the id name here loader and pasting it, then back dot style dot display, we are going to display it none. When there have been a few seconds, then this will become none, and the content part that we have used the display none, here this will become display block. So simple calculation, you can also make the variables and also style them. Here I have used the jQuery. In this, just you have to copy, because I am telling the every meaning of the every code, so you have to do not carry that. If you do not know this language, you cannot code this. So at the dollar here in the load section, or you have to copy this, and here creating a hash of id loader, and inside this, because I have not created the variable, so I have used the hash. And here the fade out means when the animation is completed, then this will become fade out. And here in the image loader image, here copy this and pasting it, here the delay will be 150. 150 means a 1 second has 1000 milliseconds, so it is in millisecond value. And here the fade out will be slow, so that it will be visible to us when we are visiting our website. So here the fade out I have realized, and I have written it down also. Here 2000 means 2 second for animation, the maximum go for animation. Here on coming and reloading our web page, as you can see, there have been a preloader used for few seconds, because our website do not take so much of time. If you have some bulky image or bulky paragraph or any data, then it will take definitely going to take time, and our preloader will work at its position. So here I have written it down also, and you can change the value according to your web page. So here let's open with the again open. As you can see, there was a small blink. Here I have used I have a fast internet connection, so it is not taking so much longer time. But if you have a slow internet connection, then it will definitely going to take longer time to load. And at the last, thanks for watching, and please comment it down.